Pera o wisdom? For me, it's wisdom. It's something that I want to receive, wisdom. That's why I give out wisdom 100%. Kasi yun yung gusto kong ma-receive nang ma-receive. Hindi ako nagbibigay ng pera kasi pansin ko sa mga naging spoiled at binibigyan lagi ng pera, unang-una hindi sila nag-grow. Pangalawa, hindi nagiging creative. Magiging creative kapag wala kang pera. Sino nakaka-relate dito? Mga breadwinner, yung mga walang inaasahan na iba, yung mga malulupet. Sila yung talagang comment yung breadwinner kung ikaw yun. Pag breadwinner ka kasi wala ka ibang inaasahan, di ba magiging magaling ka mag-isip about the solutions na kailangan mong i-take? So you will be creative. Ano pa? Pag ikaw yung gumagawa ng sarili mong pera, ano pang mabibigay sa'yo? A better personality. Because you are in control eh. Control of your money. Magiging in control ka rin sa lahat. Wala kang sisisihing iba. Ay, kung nanghihingi ka, ikaw kasi tinamad eh. O yan tuloy, wala akong pera. Ganon. But you know, can earn money. Ay nako, napakaganda niyan. Dahil you are in control of what? You are in control of the things that you need to improve.